How to use the AA platform. Step 1. Access the platform and connect your wallet. Go to NERO AA platform and connect your Web3 wallet to log in. Step 2. Create your first team. Enter a team name, upload an image, and click Create Team. Step 3. Invite team members. To invite, go to the Team tab, click Invite, enter the member's name and email. Step 4. Create and manage API keys. Go to the API Keys tab, click Create. Select Testnet or Mainnet. Confirm to complete. Step 5. Configure your gas payment policy. This is the heart of the AA platform, where you decide how your users pay for gas. Navigate to the API Keys tab, select the key you want to configure, then open the Gas Policies tab. Type 1. Prepayment. Users pay gas in ERC20 tokens. The amount is deducted before the transaction executes. Any unused amount is automatically refunded after execution. Advantage: payment is guaranteed before execution, with no risk of failed collection. Best for high-value operations where reliable payment collection matters. Type 2. Prepayment and post-payment. Gas is deducted after the transaction executes. Users only pay for what they actually consume, which is a slightly better UX. Trade-off: a very small chance of failed post-execution deduction. Configuring accepted ERC20 tokens. Once ERC20 payment is enabled, click Select to choose supported tokens. Pick from the list, or paste a token contract address directly. Set the gas payment floating rate. Click Save. Step 6. Fund your API key. Depositing NERO. Go to the Payment tab. Click Add. Enter the amount of NERO to deposit. Click Confirm and approve the wallet transaction. Wait a few minutes, then refresh to verify the balance update. Withdrawing funds. Locate the token in the Token Balance table. Click the withdraw icon on that row. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Step 7. Integrate the API key into your dApp. Once your Paymaster policies are configured and your API key is funded, integration is straightforward. Simply pass your API key into your UserOp SDK configuration, and every user operation your dApp sends will automatically be routed through your Paymaster, with gas handled exactly according to the rules you've set up. No additional contract work required. The platform takes care of the rest.